Okay, so today we're changing the wiper blades on a 2019 Buick Avenir, same as the Enclave. So we've got some Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blades that we're going to put on here. The one here takes a 24 inch and the one on the passenger side takes a 21 inch. We've also got a wiper blade for the rear, which is an 11 inch, and Rain-X doesn't have one for that. So when you get the wiper blade from Rain-X, it's got this protective thing on the surface, so you take that off. Next thing you've got to do is you've got to take this wiper blade off, and it's got this tab here, so you need to pop that open. You'll need a screwdriver or a knife, something like that. When you do that, then you can pull this wiper blade down and then it just pops off. It's got this J hook there. And then for the Rain-X, it's got this tab right here that you just pull back, and then you repeat the process or reverse the process. Make sure that you push that up to where it snaps in, and then you just push this back down to lock it in place. And you hear that snap there. This one's got a big curve in it, so you want to make sure that when you put this down that you take care and don't mess up your surface there. So for the other one, it's the same process. You just pop this open here. This one's a little harder to get to. Of course, they give you instructions that you read if all else fails. Take this off again. This one's a little harder to get off. And same process here. Pop this open. Hear that click. Close this. This one's a little more difficult. So all we'll do is we'll close this wiper blade so we can access it on the other side, which will be a little easier. So you hear that pop there, and then we close this. There we go, we got that good pop, and we make sure that this is seated correctly. And that's it. And that's it. That's how you change the front wiper blades on a 2019 Buick Enclave or Avenir. And if you like this video, click subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll be producing more like this in the future. Thanks for watching.